Alright, hey, how's it going, guys? Super Duper Productions here with another video. And today, gonna be installing some mods here for Alex's new Z. As you can see, we got a lip, some eyelids. She got them freshly painted.
Yes, sir.
It's front and rear mud guards. He had some, but they weren't on, so we're gonna go ahead and throw those on also. The first thing you're gonna do is the lip.
First thing you're gonna do is buy a 350Z, and then also, first thing you're gonna do is go ahead and just, if you live in AZ, you're gonna want a cooler. Oh my lord.
Yeah, so I bought over 100 right now.
Yeah, no, it's pretty
So I put the little AC on, and it's like swamp cooler, so it's gonna do its best.
It's doing something. But yeah, so I went ahead and I got this on Instagram actually. One of the homies here locally. He's doing a wide body on his Z, so he's getting rid of his old setup. So I popped this off him. Hey, guest star!
Guest star.
No, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw this on. I've never personally installed a lip, so we're gonna see how this goes. It's my first lip, and yeah. I don't know if we're gonna 3M or self tap, but
Probably a little bit of both.
a little bit of both. But we'll let y'all know.
All right. First, I'm gonna jack up your car, so let's go ahead and do that.
All right, guys. So for the eyelids, you're trying to go ahead and wipe down the surface area with a clean rag. We already went ahead and did that. Now you want to go ahead and apply some double-sided, super strength tape. You know, that Gorilla stuff. But 3M works really good too. This is just what we got at our local hardware store. Super duper Isaac finishing that up, wiping some sweat. No, but like, we're mocking up this one already. Golly. Sheesh. I've luckily been having these sitting for like 2 years. I don't know, I wasn't feeling it on the old setup, but I think this one's gonna look crazy. For sure, for sure. Alright, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the easiest way to do this and just to get the best results. Alright, so you wanna go ahead and take off the protective adhesive off the back of it. You wanna do something like that. Alright, and you want to leave the hood open just a little bit so you can mock it up. You don't got to put it up all the way, just so you can see what you're doing. Go ahead and slide it in. Yeah, I think that's it right there. Lining up with that one. Shout out to Kalexmi. That fresh paint job. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side.
Put the tape on.
Go ahead and wipe the headlight off. Take the adhesive off.
Wash my soapy hands.
Don't say that. Alright, same process. Wipe off headlight, take adhesive off. Yeah, right there, right there. Oh, she's angry. She's angry. Sheesh.
Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
And subscribe. And subscribe.
These checks is not coming in.
No, they're not. These are all out of pocket right
I
here.
know you got enough for that.
Sheesh. Alright, I'm gonna help out Super Duper Eyelids real quick.
Alright, so there it is. We got the lip on. Looks pretty good. You know, Feminine ain't the greatest, but it's pretty good. All we did is we self-tapped the sides. Self-tap 2 here in the middle. We did not want to do on top like the previous guy did. So I don't want to see self-tappers on top. So 2 in the middle, and then 2 over here on this side. And that should be good, honestly. This we tucked up underneath, and we just did 2 here. We're gonna let the bumper mold for a few days, and then try to 3M like these sides right here. So that way the fitment is just a little cleaner. But we'll see. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and throw on the mud guards on all 4, and we'll show you guys in a bit. Maybe shoot a little rollers here for you guys. But look at those eyelids though, it looks so aggressive. Bye. Bye, Super Duper Jasmine. But yeah, let's continue with the install. Alex is over here doing the mud guards already. These are pretty simple. So they're just gonna be 2 screws and I think 1 on the bottom, I believe. Let's keep it moving. Sheesh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Just look at that. Look how clean it looks. The eyelids, the mud guards. It's looking so good. By the way, Alex has spacers on his car, so if you're wondering why your wheels don't look as clean, that's why. Man, look how clean it looks.
We got to take out the lighting. Show what's really happening.
No, the lighting's perfect. It looks good in here, I'm not gonna lie. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the rear ones on the rear bumper. But dang, this car looks clean. It was a clean bed to start with, but definitely it's gonna look crazy. Once this thing has some wheels on it, it's gonna go super hard.
Oh, bro, it's just a little sun.
And we got everything in there to make it football toms and tune. We're just waiting a little. We're just waiting, one thing at a time. It's a really clean build, clean interior. Check out the Instagram if you want to check it out. Go ahead and follow that. Yeah, all right, let's do the rear and then let's keep going. But these are must-do mods, and they're really relatively inexpensive mods too. Oh, the light. Not this side. That's why we need to work on the wiring. Something came loose. But it definitely does go hard. Alright, let's keep going with this video. Oh, there she is, all finished up now. Looking clean. Got all the mud guards on. But the garage looks clean. Oh, yeah. The garage. Got this one on, the rear ones. And this one also. These are the mud guards we're talking about right here. They just give it a little extra pop. It really is though. You already know, next up, about to do some louvers, wing, and wheels. That'll be looking clean. That'll be one of the cleanest HRs out here.
Next time we get in tune, baby.
Oh yeah, that too. Look how clean she looks. Oh goodness.
She's looking great.
Want to shoot a little bit of rollers or?
Some rollers real quick. We'll get y'all fuel.
And then we'll close out the video.
Alright.
Let's get some rollers. on. We didn't even know this dude, he just pulled up. That's funny.
Running this shit like a running back. Yo, bitch, she callin', she coming back. She all on that.